Hello, my name is Paul Gregory, a solutions engineer here at Skillable, and I would like to quickly tell you about the next Lab Developer Workshop on the 29th of September. Over the last few years, us at Skillable have been talking about challenge-centric and hands-on first learning. Over the last few months, we've taken the opportunity to develop some multi-day courses using this approach. You might have seen our announcements around community courseware for Microsoft products. In September's Lab Developer Workshop, we want to help you revolutionize your labs with adaptive learning as your learners progress through their skilling journeys. You need to be able to assess if they're developing skills or just completing labs. Skillable has pioneered an instructional design methodology that gives new meaning to hands-on nature of virtual labs. Please join me with our Director of Lab Development, Tom Phillips, and Ashley Neese, who is our Challenge Labs Portfolio Manager, to learn how you can apply these adaptive learning techniques to your labs to create an experience that scales with your learners. You will see how a live lab was created with these techniques, experience how assessment questions can be applied to an adaptive learning format, and create your own adaptive learning lab in our controlled workshop environment. So after this workshop, you'll have gained a practical insight to the adaptive learning and how it impacts traditional hands-on, and experienced how you can update your labs to include this learn while doing approach. Ashley, Tom and myself look forward to seeing you on Thursday the 29th of September.